So yes, hello everyone, and have a very good week ahead. So hope so. Everyone has a very fine last week. So we'll talk first about the calendar, and this week is very much volatile in respect to the fundamentals. We have the Bank of Japan data, we have the CPI of the CAD, we have the GBP CPI. Also, we have the FOMC, and so be very careful about this week, and you should be a risk manager better than a trader this week. So manage your risk, manage your lot sizes, and don't fall prey to the fake moves out there. So we'll first talk about the calendars. This week, the real trading will be started from this Wednesday after the GBP CPI. So we have also have the CAD CPI, which means what we are expecting from the CAD CPI is that CAD would be negative. So you can see here, we have the CAD CPI. I'm expecting the CAD to be negative here. So on the Wednesday, we have also the FOMC press conference. They are expected to have that cut rate to the 50 basis point, but I don't think so that it would be 50 basis point. It would be like around 25. So this Wednesday is very much important, and I'll update each and everything in the midweek analysis. For Thursday, we have the GDP quarter and quarter for the NZD. Hopefully, it would weaken the New Zealand dollar, and also we have the GBP official rate and the MPC official. So overall, what I'm expecting in the GBP, I'll tell you in the charts. So for the Friday, we have the Bank of Japan, and we have the CAD and GBP news. Let's see what effect we'll have for these newses. Let's directly go to the charts. Firstly, we'll be discussing the dollar index. For the dollar index, I'm expecting dollar index to first move to here, this area. First move to this area, 102.102.50. Let's see, we can draw it. This is basically the area. Just draw this area on your chart so that it would be easy for you to understand the market structure. So wait for all the majors until the Wednesday, and after the FOMC, we'll have the clear direction in the majors. So what I'm expecting that if it goes here, और अगर यहाँ पे FOMC आ जाती है तो FOMC इसको डायरेक्टली ड्रॉप कर देगी, ठीक है. और आफ्टर द FOMC ड्रॉप, द मार्केट विल बी रिवर्सिंग इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. लेट्स सी, अगर मार्केट में FOMC इसको ऊपर लेके जाता है तो FOMC के बाद का जो टाइम रहेगा 24 से 48 घंटे का, वो मार्केट में हमें ड्रॉप देखने को मिलेगा, ठीक है. सो व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग राइट नाउ, आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ बाय मूव, एंड फ्रॉम द डाउन साइड the maximum down I am expecting is that 100 level. You can draw it here, the 100 level. So you can draw this level here. Okay, so these are the two levels you have to see. So for the Euro USD, what I am expecting, for the Euro USD, I am expecting a drop towards what's the good area, fair area for it is that 1.0960, this area basically. Around, let's see,
Okay,
if we go,
I found this on the web for Basically. Check it out.
H4. So what area I'm expecting here is basically this area. अगर आपको यूरो यहाँ पे मिल जाता है, it would be a very good buy for the Euro USD. So it's a very ideal area. So wait for this area to hit for the Euro USD, and definitely you can buy from here. And अगर ये FOMC से पहले इस एरिया में आ जाता है, FOMC will gonna kick it up. Okay, for the GBP USD में हमारे पास बैंक ऑफ इंग्लैंड का डाटा भी है. दैट इज वेरी मच क्रूशियल, एंड ऑल्सो व्हाट वी हैव टू सी इज दैट we have the FOMC. So for the target, this is the zone for the GBP USD. So if the GBP USD keeps on hanging around here, FOMC will drop it. FOMC इसको ड्रॉप करेगा और बैंक ऑफ इंग्लैंड का डाटा जो है वो इसको ऊपर ले जाएगा, ठीक है. और अगर FOMC इसको ऊपर लेके जाता है तो बैंक ऑफ इंग्लैंड का डाटा इसको रिवर्स कर देगा. सो दीज टू वुड बी वाइस वर्सा. सो पे अ प्रॉपर अटेंशन टू इट. बट द एरिया आई एम सीइंग राइट नाउ, द फेयर एरिया इज दिस एरिया below 1.30 level. So watch out for this. For the USD CAD, dollar Canadian, what I'm seeing right now is that 1.3650, 1.37 is the area that it could gonna hit this week. So watch out for this. Firstly, ये 1.35 तक जा सकता है डाउन तक, ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर दैट अगर यहाँ पे FOMC आती है, FOMC will kick it up. So now coming to the king, the gold. Let's see what we have for the gold. गोल्ड के अंदर हमें एक बहुत अच्छा जो एरिया देखने को मिलेगा वो यही 35 का एरिया है, ठीक है. लास्ट टाइम भी मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि दिस इज द रिएक्शन जोन, और यहीं से मार्केट शॉर्टर टाइम फ्रेम में इसको लिख करके वापस ड्रॉप हुआ, ठीक है. सो वॉच आउट फॉर दिस. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस टू ड्रॉप टू दिस लेवल in this week. And for the upside, we can see like 2600. Okay, but there is a very good chance for it moving towards 25 40 25 35 level. So this was all. Have a very great week and happy trading. If you have any questions, you can ask me directly.